In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to export a project from Replit. If you've built something on Replit and want a local backup, need to share your code with a teammate, or plan to move it into another editor or version control system, exporting your project as a zip file is the quickest and most reliable way to go. I'll walk you through the process step by step and point out a few tips so nothing gets lost along the way. First, open your browser and go to Replit's homepage. Make sure you're signed in so you can see your dashboard. From there, you'll land on a list of your projects. Find the project you want to export and open it. If you have many projects, use the search bar or sort options to locate it faster. Once the project is open, look to the left side of the editor. If the side panel is collapsed, click the panel expand icon to reveal it. This icon usually sits near the top of the interface and toggles the workspace panels on and off. Expanding the panel ensures you can see all the tools you need for managing your files. With the panel visible, click on File Tree to focus the file browser for your project. This is where all your folders and files are listed. If you don't immediately see it, check for a label like Files or File Tree in the sidebar, and make sure the panel isn't scrolled or minimized. Now look for the three-dot menu in the File Tree header. This is the Overflow or Options menu that controls actions for your project files. Click it to reveal additional actions. If your window is narrow, you may need to widen the browser or scroll within the panel to see the menu clearly. From that menu, choose Download as Zip. Replit will package your project files and begin the download. Depending on your project size and your internet speed, this might take a moment. Don't navigate away or close the tab until the download starts. When it finishes, you'll have a single zip file containing your project's directory structure and source files. Keep in mind that environment variables or secrets are not included in the download for security reasons, so plan to recreate those safely on your local machine if your app depends on them. If you're working on a large project, consider verifying the zip's contents after download to ensure everything you expect is there. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Replit project and have a portable zip ready for backup, sharing, or migration. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.